Hey people, so this is a show that I had seen quite some time ago. It's called The Surgeon's Cut, and it has four episodes in it. And the episode that I really saw, my god, it left such an impact on me was this episode on it follows the life of doctors, the of surgeons in particular. And this surgeon is Dr. Devi Shetty, uh, who's based in Bangalore, and he does these almost free heart transplants, for children, and it is so amazing. Yeah, we are taken through his life you know, about how he decided to take up heart surgery, and a glimpse into his personal life. About he's married with four sons. So Dr. Devi Shetty has such a pleasant. He's got a very god-like aura about him, and apparently that's what. While he's doing his surgery, also he says he's very mindful of the fact that there is that higher power who's doing the surgery for him, literally. So do try and watch it, people. It's called The Surgeon's Cut, and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.